Running a business with your spouse can feel like a dream, di ba? Shared goals, flexible work, doing life together, parang ang sarap. And building a business together can build your dream and maybe can break your mind also. Recently, mental health is a very relevant topic in our society. Ang totoo nito, many couples entrepreneurs are not excused with it. They are quietly struggling. Here's why. Study shows na kapag naapektuhan ang mental health ng isa, nawawala rin yung joy and connection sa relationship. And it becomes a cycle. Emotional stress sa marriage, tapos balik sa mental health. In business couples, blurred boundaries, role confusion, and constant decision-making often lead to burnout and anxiety. Especially kapag feeling ng isang partner siya lang yung overloaded or hindi siya naririnig. And entrepreneurs, sila yung pinakamahirap magpahinga. And also research shows na mas mahirap silang mag-recover compared to regular employees. Wala kasing clear na time off, lagging on. But here's the truth from the Word of God that can help us. The Bible tells us in Ecclesiastes 4:12, though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves, and a cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken. Yung third strand, that's Christ. Siya ang sentro. Your marriage and your business can survive any storm. So work hard, yes, but love deeper. Protect your rest. And most of all, build your life and business with Jesus. Kasi success without Christ is still a failure. God bless everyone.